Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Today we will starting a new topic of MS Excel. So today we will discuss about the some more advanced features of MS Excel. The today topic is function. So first we will know about the function means what is the function of MS Excel. So a function is a predefined formula that performs calculations using specific values in a particular order. Excel includes many common functions that can be used to quickly find the sum, average, count, maximum values and minimum values for a range of cells. In order to use functions correctly, you will need to understand the different parts of a function and how to create argument to calculate values and cell reference. So here I have already made the syntax of function. So here this is the syntax for a function. So here first we will write the equal sign, then after here we will write the function name. So the function name may be sum, multiply, average, count, maximum value, yeah, minimum value. So these type of function name we can write here. Then after here we will write the range of a data. So this one is the cell reference, yeah, address of particular cell means starting cell address. This one is the starting cell address and there have a last cell address, and there have a function have a three parts. Number one is equal sign, second one is function name, and third one is arguments of data. So there have a three parts of a function. Then we will understand how to create a function in MS Excel. So first we will open the MS Excel. So first click start, then after all program, then we will search the Microsoft Office folder and click the MS Excel. So here the window will be open. Then in this window we will apply the formula. So here first we will write the some values. So suppose the value is that 56, 67, 87, 98, 45 and 97, and this all values we have to add in column L and row is 6. So first we will write the starting cell address. So here this is the starting cell address, and what is the address of this 67 number? So here starting cell address is F and row is 6. So this cell address is F6 and the last cell address is, so the last column is J and there have a cell addresses. So first we will read the column name, so J, and then after 6. So here we will write the formula. So first we will write the equal sign, then function name. So first we will apply the sum formula. So first we will add the total value. So then after equal sign, then sum, then bracket, then starting cell address. So this is the starting cell address. So here we will write the F and 6. So here we will write F6, then colon, then the last cell address, so J, and column is J and row is 6. So here we will write the J6, then close the bracket, then press the enter button. So this is the grand total of these total values. So this is the total. So here we will write the sum. Understand? So this is the easiest method to calculate the all these type of values. Then we will apply the next function. So the next function is, if we have to multiply the all value, then how can we multiply? So here we can simple write multiply, and in this cell we will apply the multiply a product of these cell, yeah, these values. So how can we apply the product? So here first we will write the equal sign, then product, then bracket, then first starting cell address is F6. So here we will write F6, then colon, then the last cell address. So this is the last cell address, J column and 6 row. So here we will write J6, then press enter. So this is the total value, means this value is the multiply of these values. Then we will apply the next formula. So here in this formula we will write the average, and we have to find the average of these value, means what is the average of these number. So here we will write the average equal to, then function name, first we will write the function name. So here we will write the average, then bracket, then starting cell address F6 colon, then the last cell address J6. So the whole entry will be selected, then after close the bracket and press the enter button. So 78.8 is the average of the particular data. Then if we have to find out that how many numbers are there in the data, then we will apply the count function, means how many entry have a data. So here we will write the count, then after equal sign, function name count function, then bracket, then first cell address F6 and the last cell address is J6 and press enter. So the total values is 5, means 1 2 3 4 5. So the total number is 5. Understand? Then after, the next function is max function. With the help of max function we can find the maximum value of the given data. So here we will write the max function name, and here we will apply the formula. So equal max bracket, starting cell address F6 and the last cell address is J6 and press the enter button. So this is the highest value, greatest value from these number. Then after we will discuss find the minimum value. So how can we find the minimum value? So here we will write the minimum, and here we will apply the formula. So equal, then function name min function and bracket, then after first cell address, so F6 colon, then after J6 and press enter. So this is the minimum values of the given data. 45 is the minimum values of the given data. With the help of these function we can find and calculate the data in easy way. So now thanks for watching this video.